On top of its already powerful design tools, SOLIDWORKS provides a multitude of tools to help you save time and improve productivity. One very useful tool is the SOLIDWORKS Task Scheduler. You can access the Task Scheduler from the Windows Start menu under All Programs, SOLIDWORKS, SOLIDWORKS Task Scheduler. This is the SOLIDWORKS Task Scheduler interface. I can use this application to automate many of the common tasks performed within a SOLIDWORKS environment, such as converting archived files to the most current version of SOLIDWORKS, creating or printing drawings, exporting to a different file type. I can even schedule simulations on PhotoWorks renderings. For this example, I have a large volume of SOLIDWORKS parts that I'd like to convert to a different format, such as IGES, to share with the manufacturer. Now normally to do this, I'd have to open the parts up individually and perform a Save As to create the IGES files. And this could take me a lot of time if I have to do this for multiple parts. But fortunately, the Task Scheduler can automate this process. To begin setting up my batch process, I'll click on the Export Files icon on the left side of the Task Scheduler. The Export Files dialog box appears. In this box, I'll specify the parameters for the export task. In the first input field, I can give this task a name. Now, if I have more than one export task scheduled, this would be really helpful. But since this is the only task I'm scheduling, I'll leave the default. In the Export File Type drop-down, I can choose from several different file types for my output, such as DXF, DWG, IGES, or STEP files, among others. If you don't see the file type you need on this list, the Task Scheduler can still automate the conversion, but you must run a custom task using a SOLIDWORKS macro instead of using the Export Files option. Check the SOLIDWORKS help file under Macro for more information. To keep this example simple, I'll select IGES from the list. This next window is where you enter the source files that you'd like to convert. You can add the files individually, or you can add an entire folder. I already have the files I need grouped in a folder, so I'll click the Add Folder button, browse to my folder location, and click OK. Now in the Task Schedule box, I have some options controlling when I'd like this task to occur. Now, I only want to perform this conversion once. I'd like to run it today, and I'll set the time for some time later this evening. This way, the work will get done overnight, and my files will be ready in the morning. I can have the converted files be saved in the same location as the source files, or I can select a different location by using the Browse button. I'll click Finish, and you can see the Export Files task has been added to the list. Now, I can go on to schedule additional tasks, or I can exit the program, and the files will automatically begin converting at the scheduled time.